Welcome to my class. This is Arnav and this class is the mathematics for class 2A. Okay. Mathematics class. Okay. I have sent a video and about the topic of the first lesson, and the topic was the place value. Okay, the topic was place value. I think you have learned about the place value. Now today I will discuss about the next chapter. This is on the page number 10. The page number 10, and the chapter's name is before, after and between. Before, after and between. Okay. What do you mean by before, and what do you mean by after, and what do you mean by between? Okay. Now I am drawing some picture. Three men. Some you name. This is soda. You name. This is Sadie, and here on that's me. Okay, we are in a queue and I am standing. Here is the position, the Saurabh's position is number 1, Sadie's position is number 2, and Arnav's position is, that is my position, is number 3. And we are in a queue and we are all facing the east direction. Okay, now tell me, Sadie is standing after Saurabh. Sadie is standing after Saurabh, and I am standing after Sadie. Now tell me, who is standing before Sadie? Here is the one, Saurabh. Saurabh is standing before Sadie. Sadie also standing before me. Sadie also standing before me. Clear? Now I am talking about the between. You know, between means this person. Between means this person. This person is standing between Arnav and Saurabh. This person is standing between Arnav, that's me, and Saurabh. Clear? That is called between. Okay. Now I am drawing a line. I am drawing a line and numbering them: 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. You know, you see that the gap is almost equal. The gap is almost equal, and the position of this spike, I call this is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5. Or you can take another numbers. You can take 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, and so on. This line, this straight line is called the number line. you have to know about the number line. Their gap is same. Okay. Now I am coming to the 3 and I am circling the position 3. Now tell me which number comes before 3. Which number comes before 3? The number is 2. So 2 is coming before 3. So 2 comes before 3. You see? And the next question is which number comes after 3? Which number comes after 3? That means the answer will be 4. So this comes after 3. This comes after 3. And you see 3 is between 2 and 4. 3 is between 2 and 4. Clear? Similarly, if you choose or if you circle 52, then you can tell me that 51 comes before 52. That is before. Okay, and 53 comes after 52. 53 comes after 52. That is after. And you can say 52 is the middle of them. That means 52 is between 51 and 53. 52 is between 51 and 53. Clear? Now I am coming to some questions. Please tell me, what number comes before 91? Yes, this is 90. What number comes before 89? Yes, this is 88. What number comes before 15? Obviously this is 14. Okay. What number comes after 90? Obviously 91. What number comes after 99? What number comes after 99? Obviously this is 100. What number comes after 99? This is 100. And you see this is the 2-digit number and ends here and starts 3-digit number. Okay, is another. What comes after 1? 2. Now what comes between 55 and 57? Yes, 56. What is coming? 60, between 60 and 62. Yes, 61. Which number comes between 81 and 83? Yes, obviously this is 82. You know about the predecessor and the successor? They are called the successor. They are called the successor. And they are called the predecessor. Before number of 91, before number of 89, before number of 15, and after number 90, after 99, they are called the successor, predecessor, before, successor, after. Okay, and the definition is here in the book. The number that comes just before a number, that number comes just before a number, that is called predecessor. So 90 is the predecessor of 91, 88 is the predecessor of 89, 14 is the predecessor of 15. And the second one, that is called successor, the number that comes just after a number. The number comes just after a number. That is 99, 91. 91 comes after 90. 100 comes after 99. 2 comes after 1. So that are all the successors of all these numbers, respective numbers. Clear? And they are the between. They are situated between these numbers, these numbers, these numbers. Okay? Clear? Now, here is some problem. Here is some problem. Okay? The problem is question number 5. What comes before? What comes before? Option A, question B, question C, and question D. 77, 31, 50, 49. Then that will be the before 77, that is 76. Before 31, this is 30. Before 50, that is 49. Before 49, this is 48. Clear? It's very easy. And what comes after? So, 7th question is D 30 dash 12 dash 79 dash 26 dash. What comes after 30? That is 31. Yes. What comes after 12 is 13. What comes after 79 is 80. What comes after 26 is 27. They are all successors and they are all comes after these numbers. Easy, very much easy. Okay. And there is another problem. You know, there is another problem. The question number 6. What comes between? What comes between? Option A 86 dash 88. Question A 29 dash 31. Question C 47 dash 49. Question D 60 dash 62. So the answer will be, I think you will all get by your own. You will get your answer by your own. And obviously, what comes between 86 and 88 is 87. This is 30. This is 48, 47, 48, 49, 60, 61 and 62. So they are the numbers between their respective numbers. Clear? Okay. Now you can see the another problem that is here, the challenge me. You see there is a picture and there are 4 people are standing in a line, standing in a queue. Okay. Now, and the picture will be given in the video. Okay. You see who is standing before. The question number 1, who is standing before? So question number 1, A, Sidhu. Who is standing before? Sidhu. Raju is standing before Sidhu. Raju is standing before Sidhu. The question number B, Abdul. Sital is standing before Abdul. Sital is standing before Abdul. Who is standing between Raju and Sital? Who is standing between Raju and Sital? You see Raju and Sital. Between, he is the Sidhu. Sidhu is sitting between Raju and Sital. Sidhu and Abdul. Who is standing between Sidhu and Abdul? Sidhu and Abdul. Here is Sital. Sital is standing between Sidhu and Abdul. How many children are standing? The next question, the question number 3. How many children are standing between Raju and Abdul? Raju and Abdul. The first one is Raju and the last one is Abdul. There are 2 people between them. They are Sidhu and Sital. Sidhu and Sital. Clear? Okay. This is that is enough for this video, and I will discuss the next chapter on the live class. Then I will make a video and I will send you. If you have any doubt about this video or about this topic in the video, then you can ask me in the live session. Okay, thank you.